All right, y'all see it. Got another green day. It's like the market trying to creep up slowly. Everything looking all good as for now. Like I said, we're just gonna continue to ride the market up from here on out. Riding the market up, all the trades gonna seem the same. Like I say, gonna be buying that dividend, that weekly and monthly passive income cash flow. So it's gonna look the same. Born investing is the best investing. But we're gonna go ahead and get to it, man. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel off. So y'all make sure y'all watch my Cash App trades too, man. Sometimes I put stocks in there, cause that's a different portfolio. Put stocks in there that I don't put into this one, cause they two different portfolios, for two different reasons. So most of my Cash App is for buying whole stocks. It's a dividend growth one. This is strictly dividends mostly. I do have some growth stocks in here because the growth stocks I might have, they don't trade on Cash App, so don't really have a choice but to buy them in here. But let's get to it, man. Like I said, gonna be a repetition of the same thing. Y'all go in and write down OXLC. Go in at $4.60. OXLC pays 9 cents a share a month. Do CRF. I think that was down to like 660ish range. Go and get you some of that. That's 11.8 cents a share a month. And CLM, I got that at $6.90. I want to say was the low. So put your buy limit orders on there. And let's go ahead and get to it, man. Let's go again. Gonna be a repetition of the same old things. HRZN, Horizon. 11 cents a share a month. Like I said, we're gonna ride these stocks on up. That's gonna give us a dividend. And it's gonna help push it up too. I'm at 10.48 as the average cost. 11 cents a share a month. Gonna get $3 worth of this. Fractional shares, not loading up on anything. Change this round to dollars, buying dollars. All right, let's go on and get through this trade. All right, gonna get our QYLD. But it's 16 or 17 cents a share a month. This a buy at 17 and under. $5 of that. RYLD. Paying like 14.5 cents a share, being at it's in the $14 range. Hoping this can drop around that $14 range. I hope some news come out that tank this market a little bit, because I got some shit stocks I want to buy. OXSQ. I'm going at $2.55. Pay 3.5 cents a share a month. I almost passed my $2.60 range. That's my average cost. Once it's past there, I'm going to pull out and be chilling. It's still going to be a buy, but not at my buy range or level. For my average cost, we're going to go with OPI. I said it's going to be a swing trade. Going to go in at 38 cents. You're going to see the benefits out of this once the market, the interest rate cuts. When you start playing around with this and go ahead and go hard at this stock, man, go ahead and lower this average cost up. 20 shares. I'm at 151. That's going to put a real big dent in this. Buying those shares every day. USOY. Got about a 5% dividend yield. USOY pays out monthly. 1062 is that. I'm at 1280. Go back to buying in dollars. $5 worth of that. Bring that average cost down. Got Ready Capital, ticker RC. Pays a nice quarterly dividend, double digit yielder. $3 worth of that, and it's over a half a share every day. Knock it on down. GOGL. Even though it's above my average cost, I'm still buying more. Marine Dry Shipping Company. Still just adding on to it. Even though I'm up, I know this at $8 and under, this is still. Just add on to my position, S-Buck. All these nice dividend payers and get you a nice swing trade out of it. $14.69. $5 worth of that. I'm at $17.42. See, people don't think these fractional shares don't do nothing, man. After trading every day for months and years, man, you see your portfolio growing. You'll be averaging on down and stuff. USOI, it's about $63 and under. $10 of that. Need to bring my costs down. MED, Metafast. Another one need to bring that average cost down. Arbor Realty, ABR. Bring that thing down to a little $3 worth till they reach that my 1211 plus. Just another double-digit quarterly paying REIT. Ain't worry about fiat. We can look at fiat, see where fiat at. Fiat should be down. All right, back at fiat. Fiat at 729. I'm at 942. Average down in that. I don't never load up on no inverse. Get paid for holding shares with that one. I'm gonna say ULTY. I want to get a piece of that too. That's still down. I'm just reinvesting the dividends. Get $2 worth. I just do $2 a day. That's $10 a week. I got dividends coming in between $12 and $16 a week. So let that pay for itself. That's why I say you want to get them 100 shares plus, so you can start paying for itself, buying new shares for you. AGNC at 905, still a buy. $3 worth of that. ARR, I'm a residential REIT. It's a buy at 19 and under. 24 cents a share a month. AGNC pays 12 cents a share a month. Forgot to mention. I'm going to go XYLD. It's another Global X fund. 3831 is that. This does options on the cover calls on the S&P 500. SDIV. Another one pays out monthly. Lower my average cost on this one. The Super Dividend ETF. 8.85% dividend yield. All right, we're going to go with ORC, Orchid Island, with its 12 cents a share yield. I already got my 1,000 shares there, so PFLT, 10 cents a share. Bringing that cost down on this one. I'm at 11.22. This gonna go back past the $11 range. I could have been swing trading that, to be honest. GSBD. Goldman Sachs BDC. Also a nice quarterly payer. It's Goldman Sachs BDC. I'm gonna go out to IWMY. Russell 2000. Options on that. Buying that dip. Pays out weekly. We'll go QQQY. NASDAQ 100. YMAX 1331. Man, some more in there. Pays out weekly. Lower the average cost down too. I'm at 1603. YMAG 1471. I'm gonna go XDTE. And if you don't want to do it, you can put these stocks, the ones you like, you can put them on recurring. It's at 41.44. $5 version in case it come on down. I'm gonna go get QDTE. All right, QDTE also pays out weekly. I should have went on hard when it was low. That's why I need one more. It might sound funny. I need one more mix up to happen in this economy, man. Let this thing dip one more time. Like Kraft Food, $28.94. I like this at 29 and under. All right, gotta have your buy ranges, man. Your entry levels. I'm gonna go Nike, NKE. $10 there now. Had to bring this cost down while it's cheap, man. Charge Point, CHPT. Got up to 71 cents. Going at 66 cents today. HPP gonna go in at 209. Time to bring this sucker down too. Be one of them I'm gonna get rid of as far as the REITs. I say my main REITs I'm gonna stick with gonna be AGNC, ARR, Realty O, probably WP Carey, Stag, Arbor, Realty Trust, and probably Vici. Narrowing down my REITs. And a couple others, probably EFC and EARN. EAR ain't gonna be a swing trade, but trying to get rid of some stuff. Next right here, dividend yield 4.46%. Doing a $12 million market cap. We'll get rid of everything that's ain't got at least a $1 billion market cap. I also will get y'all some Amazon, some UPS. Amazon ticker AMZ and UPS is UPS. Flowers Food ticker FLO. Let's go and make sure we ain't got nothing left. Go check our traps. It's a green day, so let's see. We just riding the market up. Western Union ticker WU. Another one, nice dividend yield, should be have a yield now about 9%, being at the price is at, but it's a dependable, consistent dividend. Right, HPP. Not Ready Capital. Let's look at ARK. ARK had good earnings. Now I'm up in ARK, so I don't have to bother with that no more. TCPC was 696. I'm at 869. Add that on. Why am I buying this? Dividend yield 17.89%, $592 million market cap, 52-week low 627, high 1152. Like I say, REITs and BDCs, man, you're not gonna see the benefits, the interest rate cuts. This your time to lower your average costs and all those plays that you got. MFIC, financial. I want to get some of that. Since I'm here, y'all don't really have to get that one. Not a major buy. Pets, go get some more of that. It's going, like y'all should know by now, I'm swing trading at 332. Two to three shares every day. They don't pay a dividend. Viatris is still good in the $8 range. Gotta ride that on up. Like a buy and hold stock. Matrix Group, when I need to sell, going to get out of that. Take my profits and run. Brandywine, trying to come on up. Some of that help push it up. Got Arbor Realty. AFCG getting beat down. Add that to the list. Yeah, I said it's the time to buy that stuff. All the stuff you trying to come on down in. All right, back by AFCG. Got USOI, GSBD, OCSL. Oaktree Lending is down. Bring that on down with it. Lower my average cost. FSK. I'm up right now. Leave that alone. Want to get some Wendy's. Get some GOOY. That's Google. Ops is on Google. I already got Fiat, USOY. See if they're gonna let me start buying Earn again. Can't trade this no more. But I'm almost up. I'd have been mad. I'd have hit a nice swing trade on Earn, but they stopped letting me buy, so I put the money in OXSQ. All right, DEA is getting stumped. Dividend yield 12.67%, 872 million. P ratio 45.6, 52-week low 1948 with a high 3631. Time to bring this down. It's at 2018. I'm at 32. So $10 a day. DEA. one I forgot about too, man. Land. Get LAND. Gladstone Land pays out monthly. It's at $9.96. To bring that cost down, man. Must pay monthly though. Show you why I'm buying it. 52 highs 1536, low 866, 5.63% yield. You gotta say when interest rates start going down and BDCs, you're gonna see the benefits of this stuff. But you got to already be ready, man. Got to be accumulating. So that's it, man. Y'all stay safe out there. Signing off. Go get your money.